Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from TECNO Spark to NTC. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose EasyFax, install it and open. Click on the plus and choose source of document. Select your photo and click on the import. Now you can choose the shape to your photo. Then you can select the filter to make it more visible. If you ready, click on the accept icon, choose the country from the list and type the normally displays. To send a message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.